repealing Bill 124 would be my top legislative priority as Premier of this province. It's a commitment I've made. Many others have made it as well through many, many months. We all know that Doug Ford chose to ram this through prior to the pandemic, which basically takes away the rights of frontline healthcare workers and education workers, including nurses and PSWs, takes away their right to bargain in a free and fair and open way. We'll restore that right. Over 4 years in our fully costed plan, we have included about $16 billion over 4 years in contingencies. Well, the big difference is new leadership, new team. I wasn't even an MPP when Bill 115 was introduced and passed in the legislature. I spent about 6 years prior to becoming an MPP working for a labor union. I am someone who, throughout my life, starting with my grandparents, who were, in the case of my grandfather, was a construction laborer, always believing that free, fair, and open collective bargaining gets you the best solutions for both employers and workers. And that's the approach. It's guided me as a philosophy my entire life. That's an approach that I would pursue and be proud to pursue as Ontario's Premier.
I can tell you right now, we'll sit down, negotiate fairly, and I support our frontline workers. Well, I'm focused on our message. Our message is about making sure we put money back into people's pockets, making sure we spend $158 billion in infrastructure so we can keep folks behind me and right across this province working. Our economy is absolutely moving forward in the right direction. I'll just give you some examples. When I took office, the previous government lost and chased 300,000 jobs out of this province. As of today, as we stand today, there's 550,000 more people working today than there were 4 years ago. There's 340,000 people on the side, companies on the sideline waiting to hire people. We're going to pour money into the skilled trades.
There's nothing symbolic about letting working people know that they can have a government that respects their collective bargaining rights. The Liberals wouldn't do it with Bill 115. They attacked teachers. The Conservatives are attacking so many other frontline workers, healthcare workers, and others. It doesn't have to be that way. So I am going to scrap Bill 124, and I am going to make sure that there's a respectful bargaining environment for all workers that provide the things that people rely on to help them build a good life. But just like I won't dictate a cap on their wages, I'm not going to presuppose what these working folks are going to want to put on a bargaining table. But what I will do is bargain with respect and in good faith. And they haven't seen that in this province in a very long time.